Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day. It's raining. You can see it's raining so much. Aiden, rain, rain, go away. We're just hanging out in the car right now. Tong's inside a mall to get his tux fitted because we have a friend's wedding coming up and he is going to stand in the wedding, so he's getting his tux fitted. So it shouldn't take too long. So we're just gonna wait in the car for a little bit and then I'm gonna go eat some lunch and go home. And we have a huge project because we're just swapping everything in the house, like our bedrooms going into a different bedroom, Aiden's play area is going into one of the bedrooms, and the living room is going to be filled with a couch, and the playroom is going to be our regular living room now. So there's gonna be a lot of cleaning, a lot of moving, so we're dedicating an entire day for that. And I told Tong, I'm not cooking, I am not making shiz. So we're having lunch outside and probably just order something at home for dinner today. So I'll take you guys around. I'm very excited to reorganize the house and just we have another year at this apartment. We signed a 2-year lease, and I think like last month the second year started, so we have another year, so we want to be as comfortable as we can get for another year before I don't know what could happen, you know. So yeah, I'm just looking for a place to eat. Aiden just woke up from his nap, so he's watching, so having a screen time. Thank you.
I want some moves.
You want some more?
You get some more then.
Cheers.
Okay, then cheers. Thank you, love.
괜찮아?
얼큰하고 맛있죠. Especially for this rainy day. 가라. 파전 해 먹을 거 사갈까?
아니, 내가 해 먹어야 되잖아.
어? 아,
다 있어. 새우도 있고. 굳이 먹고 싶으면 왜 그런데. 맛있다. 되게 그 꽃게 많이 난다. Oh, you want some poke?
Oh, it's a shrimp.
It's a shrimp and crab. Do you want to try popcorn?
No. Oh, where's the crab?
Right here.
No, it's a shrimp.
No, this is crab.
And
It's a half crab. Oh, go. Half
and
crab.
shrimp.
맞아.
Is it yummy? It looks yummy. I love you.
엄마,
네?
오빠는 제일 갈래?
Here's that. Okay, I just want to show you guys the before. Okay, this room's getting changed. This room, that room is getting changed. Finally, this room is going to be our new bedroom. I'll see you guys in a minute.
Ready?
Oh, that fresh smell. Wow. Cute.
There's this. Aiden, what's this?
You know, we got a new couch. Are you excited? And the movie night today with pizza.
Pizza, pizza party.
And jelly.
Pizza party.
We mash them. We mash them. Mash them, mash them, mash them.
Yo, this is size of my bed. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait to get kicked out.
You get kicked out?
I can't wait till you lock me out.
누구 좋아하고?
I will sleep like a king.
와, 아니야, 아니야, 아니야. Look at that.
Didn't even last night. We didn't even set it up yet. Okay.
아니, 깎아
So
어딨어?
that side has to go here.
No, this side, back has to go here. 이렇게 돌려서 들어가는 거지. 내려. 안 내려갔어. Right? This is okay. Oh my gosh.
Dude,
This is
kick me out. I will sleep here. I need 불은.
아, 좀 빼야 돼. 아이스 프렌즈. 와!
Here.
Yeah. Wow. Guys, look at this couch. It's insane.
Dude. Whoa.
Oh my gosh! 와, 대박. Dude, I didn't know this side would be this.
Aiden, come here.
와.
아 이게 진짜 couch구나.
대박.
Like it just like sings.
야. 어? Anna, you wanna come next to mommy or daddy? 와, 자리 진짜 많다. It's huge. Oh, hello. Do you like it?
Yeah,
Then
this is it now.
yo, us both could sleep here. Like this. Yo.
Yeah.
Oh, the cushion's so comfortable over there. You guys, we're done. Okay, don't look at that side, but we are finished. We have Aiden's bedroom. Oh no, Aiden's playroom. Okay, it looks a little messy. Oh my god, there's so many toys. Anyways, Aiden's room is done, and then I'll quickly take you guys to our bedroom. Not much. Yeah, we still don't have a bed frame, but it's okay. It's a co-sleeping place. Whatever, it's fine. But oh my gosh, the living room, our little. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This just looks so comforting. Like I just want to like chill. I don't know, isn't it so inviting? You just like I feel like I will never get up. It's over. I have a little bit more cleaning over there, but basically we're done. I want to do a shout out to Valencia Theater Seatings for making all of this happen. They were so kind enough to send me this beautiful couch. As you guys can see, beautiful, humongous couch. So this specific model is the Serena leather sectional sofa. Mine is in beige, which was just a perfect choice for me. I just feel like, especially in like a smaller apartments, you want to keep the furniture light to make the space look a little bigger and more opening and like not suffocating, I guess. There are so many great features about their brand and this specific sofa. I'll leave everything in the description box or within this clip. But one of the features that I specifically really liked was that it's very pet friendly. It's very, very scratch proof. We no longer have a pet, but we do have a wild one at home. You guys know that. He's wild. And while we were setting up, like immediately, he just put like a bunch of marker on it. It comes off so easily. I'm pretty sure it's very, very toddler friendly as well. So I am so excited for this couch. Thank you guys so much. We're so excited. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, so Tom went to go get pizza. He got some cheese pizza for Aiden and extravaganza pizza for mommy from Domino's. She'll be coming back, and I think we're gonna just do some movie night. No, it's been a long day for all of us. Aiden was so good while we were moving stuff around. So yeah.
왜 소리 질러?
He's asking why there's no sound from the TV.
소리 질러?
Because mommy was filming and mommy can't have any background noise. But you've been making a lot of noise. And now when daddy comes, we're gonna watch something fun, okay? So can you just wait? Low key, not really, but we're so excited for Aiden to go to bed because after we're gonna watch some movie, just do adult time. I don't know, we're kind of like wanting to watch something scary, but it just looks so relaxing. This couch is just amazing. I'm so comfortable. Like, and it's insane. It's almost, I think if you put it side to side, it's probably like big as a queen size bed. But this is so comfortable. We have so much space. Okay, can you wait? This boy is Look how big he is. Why are you so sad? Oh, you hurt me.
아니니까.
아니 피자 먹을 거야?
아니니까.
아니 손 닦고 먹자. 아니
손
손
닦았어.
치워. 언제?
지금 닦으러 줬잖아 네가.
언제 줬어? 지금 닦았다고?
You just gave me this and said.
코 닦으라고
아
했지.
코. 아니 손 닦았어.
What is this like live action? You ready for pizza?
Yeah.
앉아 여기 앉아. 똑해.
Pizza party.
I need a plate.
Is this Gucci?
Asian snake.
You know.
아 따달라고 그냥.
아.
아 몇. 야야.
You know the Gucci Gucci.
Yeah. 귀엽다 진짜. 아니 휴지 줘? 여기 no changing. We're gonna watch a movie, okay?
This is called movie.
In the movie we don't change. Thank you.
Cheers, my wife. Oh man, happy moving. It's nice.
Cheers.
I like it. 자, 플레이트 줘봐. 플레이트.
Where's Aiden's water? 너 우유 줬잖아. 나
I
저기
just
있잖아.
sat down.
아니 나 우유 저기 있잖아. 피자.
Seems I've become a future player in the theater of the absurd. Only a few space for that wretched move. But it's all good. But today, day 243 has brought a new optimism to what's most pressing in them. Planetus, Exodus, to Eternicus, and get robot.
It's a video game.
I know.
I saw the cartoon too.
What's this?
That's Sonic.
Wow, Sonic's so bad.
Ew.
Whoa, what's this? Sandwich.
So your moment arrives.
Ah, wow, this is so good.